the rate of construction of highways had fallen down, and it was maybe about 3 to 4 kilometers per day for various reasons like land acquisition, availability of funds, then availability of required materials and required machineries. So many reasons added to that. Just last year, 15-16, the government announced that it has successfully constructed about 16 kilometers per day. And in the month of June, it announced once again that its number for the month of June was 28 kilometers per day, from 16 to 28 in the month of June alone. And the government plans to construct about 40 kilometers per day for this financial year. That is the plan of the government. In this conference, we are going to address how we, the contractors, concessionaires and the consultants in this country are going to meet with this challenge. Huge challenge, 40 kilometers per day. Government has already announced that it has achieved about 28-30 kilometers, already it has achieved in the month of June. So to achieve this, good team of engineers are required, good team of designers are required, a very good working force is required.